Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Snapster Telegram mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Snapster is a Telegram mini app for trading meme coins, and their airdrop is currently ongoing. The link to the Telegram bot will be in the description box below. Now let's get into the video. When you click on the link, all you need to do is click on Start. Now you see Welcome. Soon here you'll be able to trade meme coins and other hot tokens in just one snap, fast and simple. Open the mini app to join the waitlist and invite friends to earn some Snapster points. Open mini app, Start. Click on Start. So this is still very new for you to join and gather enough points. You are in the wait list. You will be one of the first to trade soon. Now you can earn Snapster points, in-app rewards that might be very valuable in future. Got it? Let me in. Now here is how it works. You claim 1,000 points every 24 hours. Like when you claim now, you'll be able to claim in the next 24 hours. You can perform some extra tasks to get some more points. Like this is to join their Telegram channel. Click on it. Click on join. They have about 238.7k subscribers on their Telegram. Let's head back to the app. You can still perform this Twitter task. Follow their Twitter to get 1,000 points. So when you've done the task, just wait a little. You see the claim button. The claim option will appear not immediately after you perform the task. Just wait a little. It will appear. Now about the invite friend. When you invite your friends, you earn 1,000 points per each friend and 1% from all their future trade. For the retro drop, it's coming soon. So guys, this is still very early for you to start and gather enough points. So that's all about the Snapster Telegram mining. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your question. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.